Sexual and gender-based assault and abuse of people with disabilities often goes unreported. This is because there is no standard operating procedures for stakeholders to professionally work with to address these cases. Our correspondent, LASODA, reports.
Several reports have shown that people living with disabilities are 3 to 5 times as likely to face sexual and gender-based violence due to their multiple vulnerabilities, especially women and girls. And oftentimes, the perpetrators are family members or people close to them. However, there seems not to be a standard operating procedure that non-governmental organizations can work with when dealing with cases involving people with disabilities. This gathering provides the working tool.
Anybody can lay their fingers on it and it will be useful for them because it actually specifies, how to work or how to relate with persons with disabilities, especially when it comes to services, making services available to them, giving them access to social services. And specifically on gender-based violence, you're looking at, how do they get support, what kind of access do they have to healthcare, if they are survivors of gender-based violence, where do they go to, how do we help them? So it's an SOP that covers a whole load of ground.
Standing up for people with disabilities who are abused takes a strategic approach.
We are trying to bring together all the stakeholders, all the service providers, and have a working tool. I feel something that everybody, there will be simple referral, there will be a simple and effective way of treating cases, particular cases, in an human rights-based approach to solving problems.
People with disabilities should not be afraid or ashamed to reach out for all the good things and the services that Lagos State is ready to grant to them.
Aside achieving social inclusion, this move will give people with disabilities the confidence to speak up, while all stakeholders into fighting gender and sexual-based violence can know where to seek specific help when dealing with such cases. Silverbird News 24.